dirty.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, now I gotta get that thing. Oh, I can get up. Oh. Oh. Ah, roots. Like the old pioneers used to do.
The old pioneers used to do. Amen.
Bordner's Cabin Trail. So far it's pretty easy going. I mean, it's not real hard to walk on like a little gravel path like this. I guess it's good for biking if you're into biking. It's a nice easy walk through the woods. It is really scenic though. This is a very pretty trail. I mean, look at that bridge back there that we were on. It's huge. The main like stream river thing that comes through here splits into 3 sections, so it kind of goes over that. But every like inch of this place is scenic. So this trail itself isn't very long. How long is it? Like 2 miles?
Mile and a half in, mile and a half out.
So it's an out and back trail. I guess the big focal point on this trail is a cabin. That's what it's named after. And I guess you can go inside this cabin and look around. So we'll just leave it up to that for now and see what we find. I'm just walking in and it's coming up. It's kind of cool. You see this cabin tucked off in the distance, and this place is cool. I don't really know why. Huh. It's huge though. Like this is we're out in like kind of in the backwoods of nowhere. I mean, look at the size. This is, I guess, the main room. Look, there's a second floor up here. You got this awesome stone fireplace, and I can see why they decided this spot. You just turn this around. How amazing would it be if this was like your hunting cabin right next to a stream like that? Right? Imagine this being your hunting cabin.
I think this would be sweet. I'd love to live here.
Anyway.
Can't be too far off the road.
No. So, we did read before we got in, there's plaques around here saying, like, I guess this was restored, and then there's also some information around here showing, like, the restoration project, and there's also, like, facts about it and, like, the history of this. I mean, this place is worth the walk through the woods. And you can even see, I mean, there's like old power outlets covered up. I mean, just imagine you wake up and you look out your window.
There's furniture. There used to be the furniture in this room. There should be a dresser right here, beds back here. That's cool.
Guy who made this and found this spot made it by hand. Can you imagine building this place by hand? We're only on the bottom floor. Here, let's go upstairs real quick. Well, we're not done in here yet. Here's another room. And then there's a garage underneath. I guess this hatch. No way. Here's an upstairs loft. Now just think, you wake up, smell some eggs and bacon cooking over there. Ooh, This place is cool. And then there's pictures all over, like he said, showing you what the house used to look like. This, wow. Here, we'll get more of a first-person view. And then right there's that little flap up there where we were showing. So I would say overall for this hike, it's definitely a once and done. It would be cool if you would have like some bikes and came down this trail to explore with bikes. It's a lot faster than just kind of walking it. I mean, this is the whole trail, as you saw. It's a little boring, but it's pretty. I'm glad I did it. Probably not coming back. If you lived right down the road, it would be a cool trail to check out. Maybe regularly, it would be a nice jogging trail. But to make a special trip and come out here, if you want to come out in this area, if you're out in this area already up here, it's a nice decent spot to stop by. Yeah, so we're coming to an end. Have fun.